tiddly-um-tum-tum-tum.
Why are you placing cups on top of each other?
It's a tremendous trick for today's tea party. When the tower is complete, I shall fill the top with a torrent of tea. The tea will tumble down and trickle into all the other cups. The trouble is, it's getting too tall.
No problem. I can pop up and put it in place.
Terrific! But we must try to be careful. The tiniest tap could topple it. That was too close. Do try to stay out of trouble, eh? You're going to cause a terrible accident.
Sorry, T. Allow me to offer my assistance.
Pat.
Apologies again.
You are a tornado of trouble, eh?
Perhaps you should go somewhere else until we've finished. Agreed. And promise not to make any more words. I'll avoid all other Alphablocks.
Marvellous.
Brilliant! But what a T&P building! An amazing pyramid of... Actually, I'd better not talk to you anymore. I don't want to have any more... Shh! Stay away from me! Look out!
The very tip for the very top.
Perfect!
As long as we avoid any terrible accidents, this will be a truly tremendous trick. Trembling trifles, eh? What are you doing back here? Quick, tiptoe away. This could end in tragedy. Still too close. Still too close.
Bam!
Bam!
Bang! Shh! Bash!
Bash!
Shh! Crash!
Crash!
Shh!
Smash! Smash!
Shh! Splash! Splash!
Splat! Splat!
Tap!
Magnificent!
Very nice! Perfect!
Top stuff, eh? That was truly the most tremendous trick. Here, have some tea. Typical.
Alphablocks!
Exploding X-rays. Someone needs my help. Exciting X to the rescue! I must stop doing that. My X. It's a Plus! Plusman to the rescue!
X?
Plusman, actually. I'm a new addition to the team.
I'm doing a treasure hunt and need to find something with 5 points. Can you help?
Leave this to me.
Ah. Star.
5 points. Problem solved.
Not really. The thing I'm looking for lives underwater.
I know something that lives underwater.
Fish.
Your worries are over.
But I need something that lives underwater and has 5 points.
You mean something like a star and a fish? I've got it. Stand back, Alphablocks. Plus. Star plus fish makes...
Star. Fish. Starfish. That's right. A starfish. Thank you, Plusman.
My work here is done. So long, Alphablocks.
Come back, sheep! Please come back!
Sheep on the loose? An unhelpful dog? This looks like a job for Plusman! Plus. Sheep plus dog makes...
Sheep. Dog. Sheepdog.
You've done it again, Plusman.
At last! We need to take this food on a picnic, but we've got nothing to carry it in.
Lunch? Nothing to carry it in. You need a handbag. No, a flower pot. No, a rope.
Look out for the banana skin.
Ow! My head! Relax, X-Fans. I'm back. And I know how to fix this. Box.
But this box is full of bandages. That's no good for carrying food.
It does have a cool plus on it, though.
Plusman would know how to help us. He's my hero.
Plusman? What an extremely silly name. What exciting things can he do?
He can link things together. He's lovely.
I can do that without even flexing a muscle.
No, you can't.
Lunch plus box makes... Lunch! Box!
Lunchbox.
Brilliant! It's good to have you back, old buddy. I never doubted you, X. Banana?
We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la. We can make anything. Hold my hand, make a magical land.
When letters get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the owl?